Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amy and I make videos about our allotment and what we're up to. So it's sort of like keeping a diary of it really, so we can look back and see what we've done, and also I use it as a reminder to see what I've planted, because I'm not great at marking up what it is so I use it to look back. Also I do videos on food and recipes and days out when we're allowed out next week. And today what we're doing is, sorry, just making sure no one was coming. We have actually got a seed planting marathon going on. So I'm on the new plot. If you didn't know, we've got two plots. One we took on our first plot last year, and then we've just taken on our second one about a month ago. It's in the same thing, it's just about another 6 plots down there. But we've got this bed here, and this is what we're going to put all our seeds in. We have got lots of seeds that we are putting straight into there. I'm going to move down here because I think someone's coming. We are in Kent, so our last frost date is, well, actually when I looked it up, about 100 metres down the road is the edge, so we are right on the edge. So one of them is the end of March, so we're going with that one, but a lot of the seeds that I've got are fine to go straight out. And then we've also got a lot that are going, oh, the only thing is the road noise. We're going to plant into the greenhouse as well, just because some things, although they can go straight in the ground, we want to put them in the greenhouse first, just so we can then plant out the actual plants, if that makes sense. Because a lot of times last year we put a load of seeds in and they didn't all germinate, so it was a bit patchy. It didn't utilise the space well. So the idea is that we start them off in the greenhouse, then we can move out the plants, and then hopefully we can utilise the space better. That's the plan. Although some things like carrots, parsnips are going straight in the ground, and hope that they all germinate. I'm just going to show you this quickly. This is my mum's new filing system. So we got these sort of cards. I just got them from Tesco. They're £1 a pack. There's 2 packs there. And then what we're going to do is, so these are all the flowers that we've planted, the name of the plant and the variety, when we sowed it. So these were sown at my house on that date, and then we're just going to keep all the information on these cards. So let's have a look. We've got fruit, goji berries, vegetable, herbs, some vegetables. Yeah, so this one was sown in the greenhouse, the date, and then it'll be these were sown indoors in January and February, and then they were planted out into bed C. Mum's got another map of all of it, and then hopefully we can just look at this information, see when we planted them out, when we sowed them, when they flowered, when we harvested it, and then this will be our Bible going forward. I was just showing them your little filing system.
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah, very posh.
Pens down as well,
Yeah.
so it can stay here now.
Oh, cool. So
We've got to fill it in.
yeah, got to remember to fill it in. Right, so this is what we're going to get going on.
Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear your neighbors, dogs is barking. Soon the country all around me come to look the same. There's a place from where they came. Bring out your goods and your chattels and all the treasures that can travel. I'll fix the wheel and all the axles. See another day. We're leaving come what may. Any more for any.
So we've got 2 different types of carrots in there. Some purple ones, Purple Sun F1, and some other ones, I can't remember now. So there's carrots in there, and then space to successional sow. In here we've got some radish and parsnip with space to successionally sow. So there's nothing in them ones, they're just there to mark where to put them next. And then here we've got some, what did we put in here? Lettuce, some little gem, some bright lights, chard, some boltardy beetroot, and some turnips in there. And then we're going to have a go at this. So this is the seed tape. So let's have a look. You pull it out and the seeds are already on a tape, and you just lay it out or something like that. So we put a little sort of trench in. Let's have a look what it looks like. Oh, okay. It's like on tissue-y type thing. So the seeds are already on there. Look.
Oh yeah.
And then you just roll it out.
Cool.
Oh, this,
Turn that.
yeah, I think that's 2 things, I think. A trench thing, and then you just lay it down. Straight line. I'm not very good at straight lines.
Yeah, I can see.
That's straight enough, isn't it?
Yeah, I do.
Right. And then I think
Put one on the floor so you don't.
you literally just lay it out.
Hear the angels cry, but it's not his to sell to me, and it's not mine to buy. Hey, won't you come along with me? I hear a mister's voices calling, soon the country all around me will come to look the same. There's a place from whence I came.
Ta-da! I've got this little, so we've got another one there. Don't know where we're going to put that. So last year we got given some poppy seeds that some people had saved from their poppies, and we're just going to put them around the trees, and then because this is sort of like our wildflower bit, so Mum's just sprinkling them around, and then we're going to take some up to the other plot as well.
Around those 2 trees.
Yeah, and then there's some yellow ones in that envelope.
Are these bigger?
No, poppy. Have you eaten poppy seeds? They're tiny. And hopefully then we'll get lots of poppies all around and they look really nice. Bring them out a little bit more, so come out to here and stuff. They could be anywhere. Hopefully a few of them will take, don't blow away. Right, so we're just walking down to our other plot to sow some more seeds into the ground there. and also, oh, I hope that's not too windy. My hand is, oh, hang on, I've dropped some seeds. Got my basket of seeds and I dropped some. It's quite windy, so the wind is blowing the seeds everywhere. Yes, the one's going in the ground, and also some that we're going to start off in the greenhouse, as I explained earlier. Back in my greenhouse. I like being in the greenhouse because it's a bit warmer because you haven't got the wind. So if you watched a video the other day, I think it was a potato one, you would have seen that I prepared this, but I forgot the seeds. So I've got the rocket seeds today, so I'm going to sow them in there. And also the I think it was Cosmos that I put in here, already coming up. The echinacea isn't. As I say, I don't normally have I've never had any luck with that in the ground, so, but it is very early. These came up these were up within a couple of days. And all the lupins are still looking good. Sweet peas are okay, apart from this one, because I knocked the pot off and broke it. So yeah, so these sweet peas will probably get moved outside soon. So I'm just having a little snack. I bought some melon blueberries with some chia seeds on with me, so I'm just going to eat that because it's actually lunchtime, so I'm just going to eat that now, and then crack on. So I've just been sowing just loads of seeds really, and we've still got all of them to sow. Oh, what's that doing there? Let's move that out of the way. But we're running out of space in the greenhouse basically. We have ordered a new cover for our polytunnel, which should arrive this week, and then that means we can move some of the stuff along to there. So I'm just getting this, I've got one of these trays, and I'm just going to start off some squash. Don't know which one, I've got lots of different ones, so I might do 2 different ones in this one tray. So let's have a look what we've got. Where are they? I've just seen them all, now I can't find them. I've got this one, which is now, all of these are now actually, that's why they're here. And then I have got this one, so I'm going to do some of that one and some of that one, and this one is end of March, and this is end of March. So I'm going to do probably half a tray each. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24, is that right? 6 fours? 12, yeah, 24. I'm doing my maths. 24 little gaps in this tray, and we've got 4 of these, so I'm going to probably do half for each type of squash. That's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that's 12 each. I think that's what I'm going to do. Yeah. Mum, we've got more cucumbers here. I didn't do these ones. I did the crystal apple ones.
That's alright, I've got some at home.
Yeah, well, you might need to take some of these to do some more at home.
Okay.
Yeah? So 12 of them, 12 of them, 12 of them. Do you think that's too many?
Yeah. Do 4 of each. How many have you got there? 4 lots?
4 lots.
So do 4, 4, 4 and 4.
Is that going to be not enough though?
Yeah, but if they don't take, we can sow some more. We're sowing them.
Yeah, but is
enough.
4 going to be enough if they all take? Don't, you know, how many does
Only.
each one have?
Even if you do 4, you've still got 16 plants there.
I know, but they're different ones. These are only little.
You can't sow 50,000 seeds just because they're different. You've still got to find space to put them in.
I'm going to do 8 of each.
Okay.
We can give some away, can't we?
Yes.
I just think 4 might not be enough.
You just can't think that small.
You know, if you only get 2 squashes off of each plant, it's only 8 squashes.
How many did we get last year?
We only had like 1 on each plant.
No, how many plants?
I don't know. Quite a lot of butternut squash we had. Oh, I don't know. So we just run out of 3-inch pots to put things in, to sow seeds in, and a plot neighbour, not really neighbour, one over the road, she's just bought us a load of 3-inch pots. I've got lots of cut and come again lettuce leaves in these pots here, and I like to put them in pots simply because, in compost, because then I know what grows is lettuce. Otherwise, if it grows in the ground, we have so many weeds, I don't know what's weed, what's lettuce. Right, what else have I got? I've got some crystal apple cucumbers there. I've got lots of different squashes, and some sweet rocket in there, which is some flowers. Got some little leeks that I've just potted on in there. So we have lots of things going on. So that's everything we're doing today. Sign of a good day's work. We're gonna head home now and finish the rest off tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.